Here we are just in our headquarters at MIT, overlooking the Charles River, and as you can see, the boat culture is pretty vivid. So this is Lookout's processing unit. It's the latest Jetson unit that features 100 trillion operations per second. This allows us to run video feed at 30 FPS and doing all sorts of AI processing on it. So we can do object detection, semantic segmentation, multi-object tracking, all at 30 FPS with multiple video streams such as a FLIR and other IP cams. Installation of the Lookout brain is pretty easy. You just take the Ethernet cable of your FLIR and plug it in here. Then you take the NMEA network from our ActiSense NMEA converter and you plug it in via USB. Finally, you just take an HDMI connection to your Garmin MFD and plug it in. So Lookout's AI system has been trained on thousands of hours of video data that we collected from our fleet. This data has been used to train and teach the model for all sorts of obstacles you might want to avoid on the water. It constantly watches the sea surface and checks for obstacles around you and alerts you if there's any obstacle that you might want to avoid. Alright, yeah, that's the Lookout system, and it just gives you another set of eyes. It gives you a look out.